That's the piece of the toy mouse that's left hanging on the string that she ripped off, and the other piece she's got tucked away while she sleeps. So she's had her afternoon tea, so she's obviously relaxing now. So I'm gonna tie another mouse now. She loves YouTube. So the little love is sleeping now. She's had her second meal, so she's just taking a nap now. And this is what I did last night. I decided to add her favourite toy, which is the little pink mouse that she plays with. This is inspired by Van Gogh's Sunflowers. There's not much daylight left today to do anything. I'm really tired and I've had an exhausting week because raising a kitten is literally like, it's like taking care of a newborn baby, because I don't want her to feel left and abandoned. Try to give her as much of my time as possible, just to help her settle in. She's relaxed, she's playing, she's slowly just warming to everybody and playing with the kids, which is good signs. I haven't had any time for art this week, so I'm going to scan this in now and start cleaning up these images. It looks quite like it, so I'm happy with that. I'm not using the best cardstock, but I used the highest quality setting on the Epson printer just to test how my prints would come out. I did originally print them out on this presentation paper. It's the red label presentation paper by Canon, and this is how they turned out. And the reason why I decided to use the presentation paper is because I wanted to see how good I can get the image with the standard setting without it becoming too grainy. So because this paper is brilliant white, obviously the image pops out a lot more, but when you compare the image quality, this is probably a bit less sharp compared to the best quality setting. So I would say the standard setting and the best quality setting for making postcards is good enough. So the reason why I went to Hobbycraft today is because I got this mini turntable. So I think it's about 10 centimeters. Yeah, it's exactly 10 centimeters. That's the reason why I went to Hobbycraft to buy these packs of clay. So I'm going to try and test with both. I have worked with the white one before. I don't have any experience with using this one, so that will be interesting to see how projects turn out using this terracotta clay. I think this is how it sits. I'm not sure why it doesn't go any further. So this is how you adjust the speed. These tools came with the box. When you see it in the off position, it will be in the middle. So if you push it up and now the turntable is rotating anti-clockwise. If you flick the switch to the down position, then the turntable starts turning clockwise. And then if you keep turning the dial clockwise, it speeds it up. You can probably hear it now. And if you turn the dial anti-clockwise, then it reduces the speed until it comes to a complete standstill. I'm looking forward to experimenting with this, seeing how my projects turn out. So these are the things I bought from Hobbycraft today. I got this canvas. It's quite thick, but I just wanted to do a painting on this canvas. I have other big ones, so I just wanted to try it on a small one. I also bought this craft wire. This is to make the earrings I have in mind. I also bought this super light air drying clay. I bought this linen pad because I want to try and print my postcards on this sort of textured paper, and I bought some washi tape, and I bought this shopping bag that I want to do my own iron transfer on. These acrylic paint to paint my mini clay projects. I also bought these to use for decorations, but I think I picked up the wrong one. This is for glass, these two are for porcelain, but this one I think is just for glass. I'll have to take it back maybe. So they actually offer workshops and things and stuff that you can attend, depending on how close you are obviously to a Hobbycraft store. But I love going there because there's so much variety of stuff. So I'm going to stop here today and pick up again tomorrow.